India has been propelling itself to become a digital nation powered by transformation and innovation. And Hitachi Payment Services has played a significant role in empowering the citizens financially while contributing towards Government of India's initiatives.
Over the past decade, various technological advancements have led to significant banking and payment landscape changes. Hitachi Payments has made an indelible mark with its innovative, secure, and end-to-end payment solutions, driving inclusive growth. With more than 65,000 ATMs, 8,600 Hitachi Money Spot ATMs, 28,000 plus CRMs, 1.98 million POS devices under management, and powering over 1 billion digital transactions annually, Hitachi Payments is a proud contributor towards the development of the payment infrastructure in India, particularly in semi-urban and rural locations.
India is set to have digital payments reaching 1.5 billion transactions a day by 2025, and this poses its own challenges.
By enabling easy access to banking and payment services, Hitachi's holistic payment solutions is redefining the payment sector, cash as well as digital, bridging the social divide. This further improves people's quality of life and therefore contributes towards the achievement of sustainable economic growth.
Digital payments in India have grown multiple fold in the last few years. As we speak, UPI alone is clocking 8 billion transactions a month. At HPY, we've built many digital payment platforms for our customers so that they can onboard merchant partners seamlessly through a digital mode. We have created a mobile app which has an onboarding app, it has a value-added services app, it has all the things that a bank needs to service its UPI customers seamlessly. It also connects to a soundbox, which is a great innovation that has come from India.
Received UPI payment of 17 rupees.
In addition to this, we have created a EMI and BNPL platform to make goods and services affordable for consumers in the country.
Currently, the cash in circulation is at a record level high of 34 trillion INR. And the cash in circulation to GDP ratio is at another record level high of 12.5%. Cash, therefore, continues to be a vital part of India's evolving payment landscape. We at Hitachi Payments continue to support this growth with our best-in-class products and services ranging from ATM, CRM deployment for banks to providing white-label ATM services with a concentrated focus to support the financial inclusion initiative.
With extensive industry know-how, state-of-the-art technology platform and end-to-end services, we at Hitachi Payments are committed towards strengthening India to become a digitally empowered society.